In this video, I'm sharing the best high-end foundations that are safe for acne-prone skin because they do not contain any pore-clogging ingredients. So if you're acne-prone and love spending your hard-earned money on more pricey foundations, then make sure to watch today's video. Hey lovely, I'm Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician that specializes in the successful treatment of acne. Now, before we get into today's video, I just want to quickly bring your attention down to the links below where you can grab a free copy of my list of pore-clogging ingredients to avoid. This is something that I give to all of my clients because it's the only way to ensure that the makeup and skincare products that they're using is truly acne safe. Now, this list is especially important with today's video since we're talking about high-end foundations that are non-pore clogging. So make sure to grab your copy today. Okay, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So about a month ago, I did a video on the best drugstore foundations for acne-prone skin. And after that video, I did receive requests from you ladies to do a similar video on high-end foundations that are also good for acne-prone skin. So I've combed through all of the options out there and found some for you. And what I mentioned in my last video still applies to this one, and that is that manufacturers can change ingredient lists whenever they want. So just because these options are non-comedogenic or acne safe today does not mean that they will always be. So therefore, before you make any purchases, make sure just to quickly double check these products against my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid, just to ensure that these recommendations are still in fact acne safe, because later down the road, they may not be. Also, as mentioned in my last acne safe foundation video, I haven't personally tested these foundations for coverage or lung wear. These things are subjective anyhow, so you'll have to test them out for that. Really, the point of this video is to just give you a list of foundations that are acne safe, just to make choosing makeup a little bit easier for you, because I know that there are a lot of options out there, and unfortunately the majority of them are pore clogging. And I know this for a fact because as I was making a list of acne safe foundations that are high-end for this video, it actually took me forever to put the list together for you, and the list is not long, by the way, and that's just because pretty much everything that I came across out there had at least one or two pore clogging ingredients in there. And if you're acne prone, no matter how much you love this particular foundation, just throw it away because it will continue to break out your skin. It's much better to have clear skin than to constantly cover it up with foundations that break you out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the first option, which is Tom Ford's Traceless Foundation Stick. So this one is high-end, and thank goodness, as of right now, it's acne safe because it is not cheap. Another option is Giorgio Armani's Designer Lift Smoothing Foundation with SPF 20. Now with Giorgio Armani, this one was also acne safe, so I found two of their foundations that are acne safe, which is amazing because pretty much every line that I've looked into only had like one option that was acne safe. All the other foundations that they carried were pore clogging, so it's nice that Giorgio Armani. I cannot talk, guys. I filmed like 5 videos today, so I am just wiped out. But yes, the Giorgio Armani one graced us with 2 acne safe foundations, so that is great. Another one that I found is Guerlain's Terracotta Skin Cream Powder Foundation. So this one is also good for us acne prone ladies. Hourglass's Immaculate Liquid Powder Foundation, which also says mattifying oil free. That one is also acne safe. Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Cover Concentrate also is acne safe. Another option is by Terry, and it is their Terribly Densilis Foundation. I may have butchered that, but I have it up on the screen for you. So that one is non-pore clogging. So sadly, that is pretty much the list. And I spent a really long time on this, really trying to find some great options for you ladies that are high-end foundations that are non-comedogenic. But as you can see, there really are not that many options. So it is important for you to always double check them against my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. Just because something costs a lot doesn't mean that it has the most amazing ingredients in it. So always just make sure to do a little bit of extra research on your own to ensure that these products are not going to continue breaking you out. Well, that's it for this video. I do hope that you found it helpful. If you're ready to take the next step toward clear skin, then you can visit my website at luminosityacne.com, where I have a local acne program for anyone who lives close by to my North Carolina office. Or if you don't live anywhere close to me, even if you're like halfway across the world, you can get a kit that ships worldwide and you can still end up with beautiful, healthy, clear skin. And I'm just gonna pop in a few before and after photos on some results that you can expect, whether you're a local client or a worldwide acne kit client. And if you're not quite ready to move forward with me towards clear skin, then that is no problem. But don't forget to check out the link in the description below, just so that you can grab a free copy of my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. And as I've shown you in this video, not everything out there is going to be non-pore clogging, so you do always want to just do a little bit of your own research. Okay, and lastly, you can find me on Instagram at luminosityacne, and please like this video and also subscribe for more acne related videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.